There's a massive opportunity out there right now for personal growth, and the best part about it is it's free. Hey everyone, it's Matt from Greatness Everyday, and in this video I'm going to share with you the huge opportunity that I believe is out there for personal growth, for professional growth, and just learning a skill and leveling up in general. But I also want to say that with this opportunity to learn comes a huge opportunity to make money and benefit from in other ways. And that's something that I have experienced doing. I'm going to share that with you, but in another video. Today we're going to talk about the potential that is out there for learning through online courses and e-learning. And this is a market that has been around for a while, but its growth is really starting to spread because of a few different things. So we're going to jump into it. Look at this article here from Forbes. They say e-learning climbing to $325 billion by 2025. And what happened is there's a market research firm, global industry, and they went through and they analyzed an e-learning platform of just in general and said e-learning in general is going to reach $107 billion of a market in 2015. And then that actually came true. What they're saying now is in 2025, that market is forecasted to hit $325 billion in 2025. So obviously there is over a 3x increase with that. We're looking at some huge growth just in 10 years alone because of better technologies, changing values in society, and also current events that are happening. One of those current events, obviously, as we see in this article, talks about how that has really kind of changed the framework and the projections for the e-learning market. And I really believe with more people working at home, more time on their hands, maybe people got laid off and they want to level their skill up and be better prepared at the end of this, that has been something that has been a positive for the e-learning global market, let's say in general. So there's a lot of different things that we can look at, but I think we have to start first in saying that yes, how does this work? Well, basically what happens is you've got platforms out there, platform like Coursera, as I've shown here, that they offer online courses. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. Doesn't matter what topic, they have many different topics. In fact, really whatever you are looking for, I'm going to guarantee that you're probably going to find something that is related to it pretty closely, if not the specific thing that you're looking for. And at the same time, if you discover and do searching on different platforms and you see that that market is not there, why not go ahead and create that course that you want and you're able to earn an income from it? Again, more on that later, but this is a course a friend sent me last night. He said, hey, Matt, I think you'd really like this course, knowing that you love science and that's what you do with your day job. And at the same time, personal development is what you spend a lot of your time doing outside of that. So this kind of merges your two worlds. And this is a course, and this is really why I believe in e-learning and online learning blended within the regular learning that we do either at a school or at a job or just in life in general. Because this is a course that allows me to grow and skill up and learn many different things. The science of well-being. This course is offered by Yale. And if I did not have the access to the internet that I have here, I would never be able to take a course by Yale. Let's be honest here. Even for myself, where I live in a small university town that has some great resources that most people wouldn't be able to access, and I can access them because of where I live and kind of relationships. Even at that point, I'm accessing a course on the science of well-being taught by Laurie Santos that has over 2.2 million students enrolled in it, and it's offered by Yale, one of the most prestigious universities in the world. I wouldn't have access to that. And that just kind of blows my mind. The fact that I can sit here in my living room, in my office, and do a course that is going to, at the end of it, give me a certification from Yale saying that I've completed this and I know something, and that's proven. That's going to be huge for me, I'd be able to think. So this is a course. Coursera has both online free courses as well as online paid courses where you get a certificate at the end. I actually went through and upgraded, paid the 40, 50 bucks depending on where you live to get the upgrade to the certificate, because this is something that I'm very interested in and I would like proof saying that I have access and I've gone through this course. So it's going to be pretty cool for me to be able to do that. Obviously, online learning gives you a syllabus in terms of what you need to do. and you can break that down even further. But Coursera is one of the biggest platforms out there. It's been around for a long time, and they have many, many students using it. I'm going to link all of these different platforms down below for you to check out if you would like to, but it's definitely one that I would recommend. Another one is Udemy. So with Udemy, I actually created my first online course using this platform, and it is one that if you're kind of trying to get your toes wet, dip your toes in the world of online courses, I would recommend creating first through Udemy. It was pretty easy to use, and at the same time, they do a lot of their own marketing, which allows your reach to get out there. So as you're kind of introducing yourself into that world, that is something that I would recommend, but that's more for another video. Udemy is a great platform because you can search for so many different topics. Let's say you wanted to learn French. So I've typed in French language course, and here you're going to see 612 results for French language courses. So there's many different things that you can go through and take a look at from the consumer and the person that is buying the course. From my perspective, if you look at the first one, I really like Udemy because you're looking at a $17 Canadian fee when the regular price for the course is $205. So that's great for me as a consumer. For the creator, obviously I wish I was selling it at $205. And the reason being with Udemy is they do a lot of their own marketing, and there's different breakdowns of how they split the income up after that. But Udemy is great because I like it. It's got a lot of different topics, a lot of different subjects, as well as really cheap prices for the most part, right? So Udemy is something that I would recommend. The next one is Skillshare, and it's something that you see quite a bit advertised and recommended to you through YouTube. And in my opinion, Skillshare is more guided towards creators. You're trying to learn a skill like photography or videography, something else, you can find a couple different things, and it's not in any way limited to just that. You can see, for example, business right here. Obviously, it's not just limited just to that, but I do really believe that Skillshare is kind of the quality content on it is best, I guess, suited to those areas. Just my opinion. Skillshare is one that I would recommend. And the last one here is Teachable. And in my opinion, Teachable is more so for the creators that want to create a course. My next course that I do create will be done through Teachable. It's something that I'm very impressed with their platform. I'm going through right now 2 online courses through Teachable, and I just like the setup. It's really easy to use and very professional looking. They're in beta right now with their Discover tab, where you can go through and learn some of the online courses that are there and search for them and discover what is offered on their platform. It's something that I would recommend you check out as well. But regardless, the big thing here is there's a huge opportunity out there to go through and learn, to grow personally, to learn a new skill, or to upgrade your qualifications professionally. And really, literally, it's free. You can go in and choose to create an actual account and sign up and purchase a course. That might be something you choose to do. I've gone through and done that for the course that I just signed up for. It starts today. I've also done that for some coding courses or a super learner course. This has been something that I've been doing for a few years now, and I would definitely recommend to anybody that's really interested in learning and improving their lives. So that's something I'm going to definitely recommend to you. If you have any questions, please let me know down below. Hit the thumbs up button if this video helped, and please subscribe to our channel. We make videos related to personal development, health, and wealth, all under the umbrella of living your greatest life. So I appreciate you being here. Remember, choose greatness every day, and I'll see you next time.